Hello, Jim. Tech goes back in the video. We've got the all-new Voyager Focus 2 from Poly, and this is typical packaging. We're custom it with Poly, and that's it there. Recycle where facilities exist. And 2020 Plantronics Incorporate Poly, and the propeller design are trademarks of Plantronics Incorporate. So let's have a look. So with the headset first, we'll put that there. You've got a Bluetooth dongle here, which is nice to see. You've also got your stand, and you get your usual books and stuff that you won't read, and you get your USB-A to micro USB cable here, and this nice bag here to carry your stuff in as well. And it's got a nice zip up on top there, and we'll pop that in there. Where it should be. So you've got a nice zipper there, you've got the branding here, and that's pretty much it. So it's nice to get that anyway, to keep your device protected, so that's good to see. So you get marks for that. So first off, we have got this stand here. So if we pick the headset up, you'll see that it slips in like so, and that's what it's going to look like there when it's sat on its own. You've got rubber feet on the bottom with the Plantronics branding, and of course your USB-C cable, or your USB-A cable. Your quick start guide, and of course this is the headset, and you can see it's got this kind of elasticated band up on top with a metal band on the outside. The Poly Voyager 2 branding here. You've got a mic with a mute switch, you can just slide up and down, and also here on the side you have got your controls, so you can control your calls and your music from here, which is nice. You have different levels of A and C by this switch here, and you've got on and off here, and you can see it does illuminate there, which is pretty cool. Your charging port there, and that's pretty much it. Doesn't seem to do anything on this side here. So it does turn like so, as you can see. You've got nice soft cups as well, and of course you've got your rapid style extensions on both sides, like so, and they seem pretty solid anyway. And no creaking, which is a good sign. So this will simply move up and down like so, which is really handy, and it's nice to see. And that's pretty much it there. So you've got the hybrid A and C, and you've got dynamic mute alert built into this as well, with your online cup indicator, which is really nice, and that's good to see. So people can know if you're on calls and so on. So you've got the advanced digital hybrid A and C, so you've got high and mid and off with the settings. So that's nice to see, so you can change that to your needs and your environment. Most of us working from home now, these be perfect in the house, but if in a busy office environment, you have the chance to step up the power of the A and C, which is really good, and that's very important if you're working in an open space as well. So you've got about 19 hours talk time as well, and you've got different options. So there's PC, and there's the BT700 USB adapter, and you've got the Office, and again this will work with your Mac and your existing laptops at home. You've got Microsoft Teams as well, which is nice, so that's good to see. So whatever platform you're using, this should work on anyway, no problems whatsoever. And you've got acoustic fence technology and advanced hybrid ANC technology built in, so that's important to know. And the acoustics on this as well. You've got Poly Plus and Poly Lens support on this as well, and you can check out the Poly Focus 2 with the popular Voyager Focus UC9, and you can pick these up on poly.com and check out other sites as well in your area. Price will vary per country and whatever the case is. And that's really about it, just a quick first look, and any questions feel free to hit us up. I'm just going to quickly pop it on the head there and see what it's like. Really comfortable. Again, you're only tied to one side with this mic arm here, so just that to consider as well. Some do give you the option to use on both sides, or you can remove them, or whatever the case it may be. So that's it. Talk to you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Any questions, hit us up below. See you then.